Hi, everyone. All right, it is Thursday, March 31st. We just finished our lesson today where I introduced this worksheet. This is actually the second page of the worksheet that we did today. And there's a few questions I couldn't get to by the end of the period. We did this one together where it was a triangle and I asked you to figure out the area. And we made sure that it was area. And we did base times height, divided by 2. And I'm going to make that a b, so height times base, actually. And here we have our height, and I'm going to draw this in a different color, so let me change my colors. We have our height, that is going to be a 2.2, and we have our base, b, is going to be 2.5. You could do your quick calculations there and make sure you divide by 2, and you should be able to find out the area. Anything in area, as we just talked about, this class is going to be in centimeters squared. That is good. That is the easy part. There's a little bit of an issue with this worksheet that I don't like because I didn't make certain things super obvious. And most of you guys have figured out that this trapezoid here needs to be broken up into, excuse my bad penmanship, it needs to be broken up into different triangles. And then you realized very quickly that this 2.5 lines up to the base over here. With a triangle like this, it doesn't matter what side it is. Each side is going to be like equal dimensions, so you can easily move that 2.5 over. Then a lot of people ask me, well, where am I going to get this height for the triangle? And some people made the assumption that it is 2.5. What you need to do is you need to find the height from up in A, and then you'll find out that the height, I'm going to write it right here, is actually going to be 2.2. Just going to draw that dot there. Your height is 2.2, then you'll be able to figure out the area of these triangles. And also, whatever you figure out here, you just have to multiply by 3, and you're good to go. Okay, all right, let me just erase a few things. Next up is we want to take a look at this shape here. As we talked in class, so this shape here, as we talked in class, this is pretty much a cube, or a square, I should say, that's been tilted on its side. So you use a length times height, and you find the area, no problem at all. Next, we get to take a look at this wonderful shape over here, and I'm going to change my marker. And we realize there's multiple ways to do this, but the easiest way to do this is to break this up into several triangles. The triangles should be equal size, an equilateral where all the sides are the same length. And then once you kind of get into it, you then realize the base is 2.5, the same as part A, and the height is 2.2. So whatever area you found for A, you get to transpose into here, and you multiply it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your area times 6 will equal the answer for this part here. It's not overly complicated. I think some people overthought it. The hint is they don't give you a lot of space to write your answer, so it shouldn't be that complicated. Come see me if you have any questions. This is not due Monday. We're just a little bit ahead of ourselves. This is an assignment that I wanted to start on Monday. It's Thursday. We're ahead of schedule. Thanks, guys. And let me know if you have any questions.